Alright guys, this is Bruce at HB Decor Design Studios. I'm getting ready to do a knife here. You can see I've already sprayed it. You can see the overspray on the bolster there. I've lined it up so I can that's basically where it's gonna burn. And this is going to be test burn to make sure it's running correctly. That would be the first letter. It's a letter and then the initial. I mean initial and then the last name, I guess. It looks like it's all going to run in nicely. I'm not going to be able to look at this, but I'll try to hold the camera as still as possible because it's going to arc pretty brightly. So let me turn on the laser. Now once I hit this, it's done. I can't do anything about it. It. So that's how it's going to look. A little bit thinner than that. Once I wash the material off there, and I may show you that. It's going to just give me a second.